Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to show you how to make Kashmiri collard greens and egg curry or Haakh the Zombre Thool. Haakh is a star of Kashmiri household and it's cooked almost every day with variety of things: meat, chicken, egg and paneer also. Today I'll be showing you how to cook Haakh with Kashmiri style fried eggs or Zombre Thool. So let's get started. For making this simple and tasty curry, I have taken 2 teaspoons of salt, or you can take according to your taste, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chilli powder, and I have taken cumin seeds and cinnamon stick, and half onion thinly sliced, and few red chillies and garlic cloves, and oil I have taken around a cup because we have to fry eggs. And I have taken Kashmiri masala tikki or wur around 1 tablespoon. This is optional. If you don't have, you can skip. And I have taken 8 hard boiled eggs. You can take according to your family size. And Haakh or collard greens around 800 grams. So first thing is we will pierce the eggs, or we'll make holes on the eggs with a toothpick, or you can use knife also. This way they don't burst while frying. This is an important tip. So you can see here how I'm making holes on eggs. We have to make holes on all eggs. Now I have heated up around 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in cooker. Then I'll be adding onions, garlic, and I'll saute them properly. For cooking Haakh, you have to keep water handy so that it doesn't burn, the spices don't burn. Here I have kept high flame. I'm adding half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and cinnamon sticks. These spices you can skip also for Haakh. Haakh needs very basic spices and it turns really good with just basic spices. And then I'll be adding fennel seed powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and chilli powder. And then I'll be adding half a glass of water so that this won't burn. So here you can see I have added some water. Then I'm adding some more water. I'll let it boil. And then I'll be adding Haakh. So here I have added dried chilies also. It starts to boil. I'll be adding Haakh or collard greens to it. And then we will mix it. We have to make sure this water and spice mixture is coating Haakh properly. So here you can see. And then I'll be adding salt also. I'll mix it. Here we don't have to cover it. If we cover it, this way it retains the color if we don't cover it. So here you can see we'll fry it because it will slowly start releasing its waters. As you can see here, it has started to release its waters, and it will get fried also in here only at this stage only. So meanwhile I have heated up oil. I'll fry eggs now. So here you can see the eggs. We have to deep fry them. These are called Zombre Thool and these are made with different types of curries. So now I'll remove them from oil. I have over fried them a bit. You need to be slightly careful. You have to keep medium flame. Going back to Haakh, here as you can see the water is almost absorbed and it has started fried already. So I'll be adding water to it. I'll be adding 1.5 glass of water, and we have to cook it up to 5 whistles, 4 or 5 whistles. Haakh is slightly crunchy, it's not fully soft. I added wur mixed with water also at this stage. Then I'll cover it and cook it up to 5 whistles. So once it gives 5th whistle, I'll remove the whistle and I'll turn off the flame. Then I'll wait for it to cool down. And I'll open the lid, and here you can see. So at this stage I'll be adding now fried eggs, and I'll keep it on high flame for around 15 minutes so that the eggs also get taste of Haakh. And at this stage you can take salt also. You can add more water, or if you have any mutton stock or chicken stock also, if you feel it needs more. So I will let it boil on high flame for around 15 minutes. Minutes our thool and Haakh curry is ready, and you can see the gravy also. I have kept slightly gravy. This gravy also tastes very good. They are ready to be served. Here the delightful and simple Haakh and Zombre Thool are ready. Give this recipe a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.